Rachna Jain. Congratulations, both of you. And now we have the university positions. Sakshi Anand of second year MBA. She had stood second rank in the university and she has topped in the subject organizational development. Sakshi Anand. And she gets 31,000 from the management. Pooja Bhandari. She had stood first rank in university from MBA first year, first in the institute, as well as she has topped in the subject decision science and she gets rupees 30,000 from the management. Shivangi Agrawal. She had stood second in the university, second in the institute, and she has also topped in business communication. Shivangi Agrawal, and she gets 24,000 from the management. Suresh Arora, he has first rank in the university, BCom first year, first in the institute, and he has topped in subject business mathematics. And he gets 30,000 from the management. And for this year, all-rounder of the institute, can we call upon Karan Gujral of BBA, and he gets 11,000 from the management. Congratulations, Karan. And now we have the institute rank holders. Shruti Kaur of MBA second year, first in the institute and topper in the subjects of ERP, DBMS and CSR, Human Values and Ethics. Next we have Tanvi, first year MBA. She is third in institute and university topper in the subject FM. Ashima Sharma, third year BBA, first in the institute and university topper in computer applications. Next, Ayushi Agrawal, BBA third year, had stood second in the institute. Please keep on clapping for them. Next we have Hina Jain, third in the institute and university topper in the subject POM from third year BBA. Sushant Sardana, third year BNI, he had stood first in the institute. Divya Agrawal, third year BNI, had stood second in the institute. Rohit Chen, BNI third year, had stood third in the institute. Sarabjit Arora, third year BJMC, had stood second in the institute and university topper in event management and media research. Bhavna Solanki, third year BJMC, has stood third in the institute. Sargam, second year BBA, has stood first in the institute. Kush Vadhavan, second year BBA, has stood second in the institute. Priyanshu Singh, second year BBA, had stood third in the institute. Astha Katia, second year BNI, had stood second in the institute. Soumya Sharma, second year BNI, had stood third in the institute. Joshina Jolly, second year BJMC, has stood second in the institute. Pranav Gidwani, first year BBA, has stood second in the institute and topper in Business Mathematics and BE. Tanya Dua, first year BNI, has stood first in the institute. Rishabh Bansal, first year BNI, has stood second in the institute. Neha Sharma, first year BNI, has stood third in the institute. Kajal Goel, first year BCom, has stood second in the institute and university topper in microeconomics. Kunal Sachdeva, first year BCom, has stood third in the institute. Tonakshi Kalra, first year BJMC, has stood first in the institute. Nishant Kumar, first year BJMC, has stood second in the institute. Aditi Sharma, first year BJMC, has stood third in the institute. Now we have the names of the university subject toppers. We start with the MBA. Ravit Sethi, second year MBA, has topped in financial market and institution. Next we have Akshanath. He has topped in 3 of the subjects: ERP, Business Intelligence and Applications, and Front-End Design Tools. Ishan Gupta, second year MBA in WTO and Intellectual Property Rights. Ritesh Goel, first year MBA in Accounting for Management. Sneha Gupta, first year MBA in Marketing Management. Vaishali Bansal, first year MBA in Business Research. And now from BBA, Prateek Saraf and Rohit Khatri, 5th semester BBA in Computer Applications. Gitika, 6th semester BBA in Business Policy and Strategic Management. Sagar Yadav and Dhruv Gupta, first year BBA in Business Mathematics. Shubham Malhotra, first year BNI in Financial Mathematics. Sakshay Thukral, first year BCom in Financial Accounting. Khyati Madan, first year BJMC in Introduction to Communication. Mayank Singhal, first year BJMC in Media, Law and Ethics. Anindya Das Gupta, first year BJMC in Still Photography. May we have a huge round of applause for each and every student. And now we are pleased to present a token of appreciation for the members of Placement Cell for their valuable contribution in placement-related activities. Now may we call upon Nitesh Goel from MBA, Pooja Bhandari, MBA, Pratik Juneja, MBA, Mayank Arora, BBA, Ridhan Goel, BBA, Vishakha Daiya, BBA, Priya Agrawal, BBA, and Akshita Goel, BBA. And now recently students of MBA and BBA, they had participated in E-Summit entrepreneurship competition conducted by IIT Mumbai, where 108 teams participated at national level, where our team bagged the 5th position, completing the 33 tasks online. They are Sapna, Raghav, Akash, Ashima, Kunal, Kritika, Sikshit, Megha, Vidit, Sakshi, Preeti, Shavya, Aditi, Devanshi, Prakriti, Pragya, Deepika and Sakshi. Yes, please clap for them. They have come out of 108 teams at the national level. Thank you all and everyone.
Before we wrap up the morning schedule of today's program, may I take this opportunity to thank each one of you who have made this program a great success.
Ring out the old, ring in the new, ring happy bells across the snow. Ringing of the bells is reminding us that we have come close to the end of today's morning program. Of course, the festivities will go on, but right now it's time for a lunch break.
You've been such a wonderful audience. Keep it up. Our annual cultural extravaganza, along with open quiz competition, will begin at 2 o'clock sharp. So be there again in the auditorium.
अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मिट्टी बूंद जाने दे गई। Come on guys, are you ready? थोड़ा जोर से यार। कैसे तेरी भूल सी आपको? अच्छा था? नहीं बोल रहे हैं। चलो एक और गाना आप सबके लिए। इसमें आप सबका साथ चाहिए। साथ देंगे आप? अरे थैंक्स।
चारुकेशी पंडित राजा मिश्र जी की कॉम्पोजिशन है। धर ध्यान गुरु चरणन को तब पावेगा समाधान। गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपके जो गोविंद दियो बताए। एक ताल पे राग चारुकेशी। गुरु चरण
सोच रहे हैं? उठिए, देखिए अम्मी आ गई। आपके पेट में दर्द था ना, अम्मी आपको दवा दे देगी और आपका पेट का दर्द चला जाएगा। जल्दी उठिए, अब्बू भी घर में आपका इंतजार करेंगे। और खाना मैंने बहुत तैयारियां की है फरहान। आपको पता है ना, आपके दोस्त यूसुफ कह रहे थे स्कूल नहीं आएंगे, होमवर्क के लिए मदद मांगने आएंगे शाम को आपसे। करेंगे ना मदद फरहान? बोलिए फरहान, फरहान, खुदा के दिए इस तोहफे का ये अंजाम नहीं हो सकता। कौन होते हैं हमारे फरहान को हमसे छीनने वाले? कौन होते हैं हमारे फरहान को हमसे छीनने वाले? कौन? अरे हमने तो अपने फरहान को रोज की तरह स्कूल भेजा था। उन्होंने हमसे कहा भी था, हमारे पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, प्लीज आज आप हमें अपने पास रख लीजिए। और हमने कहा, बेटा फरहान, अगर आप स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे तो अम्मी आपको का सिर ऊंचा कैसे करेंगे? एक बड़ी शख्सियत कैसे बनेंगे आप? डॉक्टर फरहान अहमद जाएंगे ना स्कूल, करेंगे ना अम्मी आपको का नाम रोशन। काश काश हमें आज उन्हें दवा देकर अपनी गोद में सुला लिया होता, तो वो ये खून में लटक न पड़े होते, तो इस पाक रिश्ते का ये नापाक जानना होता। चल जाते इस नफरत के आग में। आज सिर्फ पेशावर हो रहा है, कल पूरा जहान होएगा। अरे क्या गलती थी इन मासूमों की, गोलियां चला रही थी तो हमारे सीने में दाग थे। एक कतरा आंसू न रोक गया, एक कतरा मार डाला हमारे फरहान को। आप सबकी कसम होगी, आप सबके इंतजामों ने मारा हमारे फरहान को। मार डाला, मार डाला, मार डाला।
जरा पहचानो मैं हूँ
कौन बात है पूरा बता
और तू आदमी बनता होने के हाथ पीले ये ना हो कि थोड़ा साफ सिंगार करे, थोड़ा घर के काम सीखे। नहीं, सुबह आएगा तुम बढ़िया दूसरे काम में, नहीं तो मारने में चप्पल बात है कि सारे लोगों की बाहर आ जाएगी। नाटक भी करेंगे रे।
जाओ बेटा जाओ, नहाते तैयार हो जाओ। जाओ सुनो, निकल बनियान में ज्यादा इधर उधर मत घूमना। जाओ और सुनो, आके रसोई में दाल चढ़ाओ, मैं आता हूँ थोड़ी देर में।
अरे ये क्या है?
बताइए।
ये देखो।
अरे वाह, चाहिए धार्मिक संस्कारी लड़का, लंबे कद वाला, कनाडा बेस्ड जॉब करने वाली इंडिपेंडेंट लड़की के लिए। अरे वाह, बहुत ही अच्छा रिश्ता है। एक बार बात करके तो देखिए, हो सकता है बात बन जाए।
हाँ अभी करती हूँ।
It's hard to say. There's something different about this guy. Optimus Prime, do you read